Hello, everyone. So far, we have explored the basics and potential of VR. Today, we'll take a different perspective and discuss the challenges VR technology faces and how we can address them. No technology is perfect, and there are always issues that need to be resolved. Let's take a look at these specific challenges and discuss possible solutions. The first major challenge is the technological limitations. For example, there is still room for improvement in VR device resolution, field of view, and response times. These technical issues significantly affect the quality of the VR experience. Additionally, high-performance VR systems are very expensive, which poses a barrier to widespread adoption. Next, let's talk about social challenges. Privacy and security become significant issues as VR becomes more prevalent. How should user data be protected, and how can we ensure a safe VR environment? Moreover, the health impacts of prolonged use, such as eye strain and VR sickness, are also concerns. Finally, we face ethical challenges. VR provides very realistic experiences, which can blur the lines between reality and virtuality. This may have psychological effects. Also, the regulation and management of VR content is a crucial discussion. What standards should be set? Please gather your thoughts to come up with solutions to these issues. Using VR for long periods can lead to symptoms like eye strain, headaches, and something called VR sickness. This happens because the VR experience provides sensory inputs that differ from natural movement, which can be especially taxing for beginners. Solutions: 1. Introduce regular breaks during VR sessions. For example, implement a 5-minute break after every 30 minutes of use. 2. Create guidelines for proper usage times at schools and homes to encourage appropriate use. Through today's discussion, we've seen that VR technology comes with many challenges, but we've also started to see creative solutions to overcome them. The development of technology is always a process of trial and error. By understanding and addressing these issues, we can build a better future. This is the end of the VR lesson. See you next time.